Are you tired of switching between multiple welding machines for every project? Well, say goodbye to that mess. Today, we're checking out the top 3 AZZUNO multi-process welders, powerful, versatile, and built for both pros and DIY welders. Whether you're cutting through metal with precision or welding aluminum like a pro, AZZUNO's all-in-one welders have got you covered. From the 5-in-1 160A combo to the 8-in-1 200A beast and the 6-in-1 250A powerhouse, these machines are game changers. Stick around till the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your next project best. AZZUNO 5-in-1 160A welder machine and plasma cutter combo. Meet the AZZUNO 5-in-1 160A welder, your all-around metalworking partner. This machine combines plasma cutting, HF TIG, gas MIG, flux MIG, and stick welding in one lightweight body. It's perfect for home workshops or small businesses needing versatility. Pros: dual voltage 110/220V, plug anywhere. HF TIG for clean, precise welding. Plasma cutter slices up to 1/4 inch thick metal effortlessly. Cons: not ideal for heavy-duty industrial work. Customer review: users love its easy setup and smooth arc control, calling it the best compact multi-process welder for beginners and pros. Use it for car repair, home metal projects, or garage fabrication. AZZUNO 200A MIG welder 8-in-1 multi-process machine. The AZZUNO 200A 8-in-1 welder is built for those who want total welding freedom. From aluminum MIG and Flux Core MIG to spot MIG, Lift TIG, and stick, this one does it all. The large digital display makes adjustments easy, and the dual voltage feature ensures portability. Pros: spool gun compatible for aluminum jobs. User-friendly interface and quick setup. Excellent weld quality across all modes. Cons: slightly heavier than the 160A model. Customer review: users say, it performs like machines double its price, praising its clean welds and reliability for both light fabrication and professional work. Use it for auto body repair, fence building, and light industrial projects. AZZUNO 250A MIG welder 6-in-1 aluminum welding machine. The AZZUNO 250A MIG welder is a serious tool for pros who demand power and precision. With gas MIG, Flux Core, stick, Lift TIG, spot welding, and spool gun compatibility, it handles aluminum, steel, and stainless like a champ. Pros: massive 250A power for deep penetration. Large LED display for easy control. Dual voltage for shop or home use. Cons: higher amp draw requires strong power supply. Customer review: welders rave about its smooth feed system and professional-grade results, calling it a shop-level welder for half the cost. Use it for structural welding, heavy metal fabrication, or professional repairs. So there you have it, the AZZUNO 5-in-1, 8-in-1, and 6-in-1 welders, each built to make your metalwork smoother, faster, and cleaner. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional fabricator, AZZUNO delivers unmatched value and performance.